Hello and welcome to Barberi Rubinetteria. I'm Ricardo from the Technical Consulting Service. In this video, we would like to talk to you about the zone and diverting valves of the BS5 line, available in the two-way V82 series and three-way V83 series versions. The BS5 zone and diverting valves enable managing the zones in heating and air conditioning systems. They are installed in central heating systems, wall-mounted boilers, solid fuel generators and heat pumps. The valve body has soft torque technology with a patented design and materials with very low friction. This solution allows a quick and smooth switchover in just 8 seconds for all the versions, making the product easy to use with high energy savings. The three-way valve can be used as a diverting valve too, since the connection between the common port AB and the side ports A and B has the same flow coefficient kV on both paths. The two-way valve is bidirectional. In other words, it can be used without distinction in both directions. The version with a red cover has a conventional two-point actuator. The version with a green cover, ARP, automatic return in position, has a function for automatic return in position by means of an electric supercapacitor. This technology makes using the valve more advantageous than conventional actuators, with a mechanical spring return, with energy savings of up to 90%. The two-point actuator with a red cover has a conventional on-off type of logic. When electric power is supplied to the black cable, the two-way valve opens completely, while the three-way valve diverts completely. The auxiliary microswitch, potential-free, can be used to activate electric devices such as the pump or boiler. The actuator with a green cover, ARP, automatic return in position, is an evolution of the conventional actuator with spring return. In place of the spring, however, it has an electric supercapacitor that automatically returns the valve into its initial position. The auxiliary microswitch, potential-free, can be used to activate electric devices such as the pump or boiler, even if the green ARP actuator has an on-off type of logic, but it is connected differently. When electric power is supplied to the brown cable, the two-way valve opens completely, while the three-way one diverts completely. During this phase, the supercapacitor quickly charges with energy. When cutting off the electric power supply to the brown cable, the supercapacitor provides the necessary current to return the valve into its initial condition. The advantages of this solution are therefore 8 seconds both for opening and for closing, thanks to the very fast recharge of the supercapacitor. No more thermal and mechanical stress, due to there being no spring, very low electric consumption, since it is no longer necessary to overcome the traction force of the spring to keep the valve open or diverted. This technology makes using the ARP valve therefore more advantageous than conventional actuators with spring return, with energy savings of up to 90%. Let's have a look at the special features and advantages of these valves. The soft torque technology is a Barberi patent that combines the special design of the components with carefully selected materials. This technical solution increases the product's performance and ensures it's maintained over time. The result, in technical terms, is a very low rotation torque that determines not only high flow rates and an anti-seizure system, but also a high speed of rotation and energy savings. For all the models, both the two-way and three-way, the switching or opening and closing of the valve takes place in just 8 seconds. This characteristic allows using BS5 valves in many system solutions. The low-resistant torque permits less electric consumption during the operation of the valve. In addition, the new ARP actuator with automatic return in position stands out for its reduction of up to 90% in electricity consumption, with the valve open during an average winter season. The design of the BS5 valves, entirely made in Barberi, optimizes shape and function, defining a style that is especially refined. Thanks to the lower thermal and mechanical stress produced by the body with soft torque technology, it has been possible to significantly reduce the size of the actuator, thus allowing more opportunities for application. To install the actuator on the valve body, you only need to use one hand, leaving the clip inserted in its seat. Couple the actuator onto the valve stem with a simple click without the aid of tools. Remove by taking out the clip and uncoupling the actuator from the valve stem. To adjust the valve manually, simply press the knob and turn it to the desired position. Placing the knob in the mid position, the two-way valve opens partially and the three-way valve goes into the middle position. In this position, the valve ports are all connected together, making the system faster to fill or drain. The BS5 valves are composed of a 2- or 3-way valve body actuator with cable, clip for connecting the actuator to the valve body. BS5 valves can be installed in all the positions indicated on the drawing alongside. It is not allowed to install upside down. Please refer to the technical data sheet on the website barberi.it for the hydraulic characteristics of the valve. For precise sizing which takes account of all the devices in the system, we recommend you contact a heating systems designer. The BS5 valves are available in the 2- and 3-way versions, both with 2-point actuator, red cover, or ARP with automatic return in position, green cover. For all the versions, the following connections are available: 3/4 inch, 1 inch and 1 1/4 inch male, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch and 1 inch female, 22 and 28 mm with compression ends for copper pipes. On request for the OEM sector, other versions are available, among which actuator with quick connection cable, actuator with position indicator in place of the knob, bus connection, 3-point version, 0 to 10 volt version, versions with auxiliary microswitch. For any further information, please visit our website barberi.it, where you will find technical data sheets and instructions, or contact our technical consulting service. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy working with Barberi products.